Project Sentinel, which is an autonomous fraud guard which detects the transactions and automatically blocks them or takes a corrective action. So here's the single wallet. We run the Sentinel on this. If there are any general judges in this room, for the general judges, you are the decision bracket. Thank you. With a TRM risk score and the agent version of E3. Now, it has four agents which it uses. Water agent, which is basically water rate for the risk assessment. Detection agent escalates it to whatever action it's responding to. And based on if it is similar to some other uh, attacks which have happened in the past, it will do a vector similarity search. All of this is using Redis. So based on the Redis and TRM intelligence, it is coming up with a risk store, and then the Guardian agent blocks the actual transaction. This also works with the multiple wallets. So let's say if we have a Coinbase, it's screening the wallets, and you can have support for Kraken, Coinbase, Binance, and again, it analyzed and it passed the lab screening test here, so it is allowed. It went to watcher, detective, and investigator agent. Next are some of the cases. So if you look at one of the details, it's like it used the D3 version of the agent. It blocked it, 50,000 of USD coins. These were the risk tags, darknet market, mixer exposure, sanction counterparty. Now, it also gives you an analysis of what is the vector similarity analysis with similar fraud cases in the past or the ransom payment flows. And the higher the correlation, higher would be this value. And the guardian action will be if the risk score exceeds the block threshold, it will automatically block it. Now let's look at the agent performance. So these agents learn and improve over a period of time. So if the V3 score had 85, if I select the V4, it has become of 91. So that trend keeps increasing or decreasing based on how the agent is performing. So this APS trend has been like increasing over the past few days, or it could be tracked over months based on how much was the false positive rate, false negative rate. There are some playbooks, which is how the coach agent, which basically learns through whatever patterns it found so far, and either it steps up or blocks or escalate, and based on that, it takes different actions. We look at the architecture here quickly. The four agents we talked about, the watcher agent prioritizes the event, detective agent does deep investigation, guardian agent does decision and action, and then the coach agent continuously learns and updates the thresholds, and these are the four actions it can take: block, step up authentication, escalate, or allow. This is the feedback loop. This is how the performance, if it as it evolves over time, so the agent performance is reflected here. And these are the decision guidelines. And thanks to the support of all the sponsors here. And we have a compliance dashboard, which is basically leveraging the Skyflow to tokenize all the personally identifiable information. So even if in case of a breach, this personally identifiable information is not available, and it's only because it is being stored as a token. It is showing to be GDPR compliant. The data residency is in US, and there are workflows basically which can be with Skyflow and without the Skyflow. So with Skyflow, it has all these personally identifiable information. And sorry, without the Skyflow, it's at a GDPR risk with all this personally identifiable information. With Skyflow, all that will be tokenized. Thank you for your time.